Hello everyone. So today what we'll be talking about is, do you feel stuck in your life? Do you feel very unmotivated? And do you feel that whatever you're trying to do is not leading you to get to your goals? And you're not able to unlock your true potential, whether it's your education, whether it's your career, whether it's your business, whether it's your personal life, or whether it's your finances, or whether it's your health. So you feel kind of stuck over there. So today's video for you all. So I'll be showing you 10 techniques why you should spend just 1 hour today writing something which will help you to unlock your true potential and lead you to your dreams and of course achieving all your goals. So I hope you're ready for that. So before I do that, in this channel I talk a lot about mind power, types of mindset, my expertise in success mindset. I talk about emotional intelligence, and of course I talk about NLP and all the strategies in the business or life you can use to enhance your personal life in the way you have never thought of. And last but not the least, you have the motivational tips from me. So before I do that, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, press the like button, and let's get started. So here we are. The question which we are addressing today is, when you feel so much stuck in your life, you feel that you cannot move, you cannot achieve anything, what could be the reason for that? So much of lack of motivation in your life to move ahead. It could be you can use this simple tool today, which is known as personal mission statement. So today, give yourself 1 hour, take a pen and a notepad, sit down, and we'll talk all about it. So how does this personal mission statement would help you? You can ask me. And the answer would be that let's try to understand what a personal mission statement is. So a personal mission statement is a powerful declaration that articulates an individual's core values, beliefs, and life purpose. It serves as a guiding philosophy that shapes up the decision-making, goal-setting, and overall life's direction. The power of personal mission statement lies in the several key aspects of it, and there are 10 of them which we'll be discussing today. So what is number 1? The clarity of purpose. Now here, please pay attention to, I'm saying purpose, right? A personal mission statement helps individuals clarify their purpose and priorities in their lives. It provides a concise and focused statement of what matters most to them or to you. A goal alignment is going to be the second one. Having a clear mission statement allows individuals or to you to align with the goals and the actions which they can take to move ahead. It helps in the decision that are in harmony with overall one's life's purpose. Number 3, decision-making framework. When faced with the choices and challenges, a personal mission statement provides a framework for decision-making. So if you have a personal mission statement handy with you, you can see that you can look at it and see what you have written and how it's aligning with your decision-making framework. Number 4, motivation and inspiration. Like I said, we are addressing today if you feel very unmotivated. A well-crafted personal mission statement can be a source of motivation and inspiration during challenging times. It reminds individuals of their higher purpose, encouraging them to persevere and stay focused. Number 5, personal development. A personal mission statement can be a tool for a personal development. It can continuously keep you on the path. Number 6, authenticity and integrity. A personal mission statement promotes authenticity and integrity by encouraging individuals to live in alignment with their values. Number 7, empowerment. Knowing one's mission statement, a well-crafted one, purpose, empowers individuals to take control of their lives. Number 8, resilience. During challenging times or setbacks, a personal mission statement can serve as a source of resilience. Number 9, communication of values. So sharing a personal mission statement with others communicates one's values and beliefs so they can understand you more deeply than superficially. Number 10, legacy building. Now, well-defined personal mission statement contributes to the creation of a legacy, what you want to leave behind. Isn't that powerful? So in essence, the power of a personal mission statement lies in its ability to provide a sense of direction, purpose, and motivation. It serves as a foundation for a well-lived and intentional life, guiding individuals in the journey towards personal and professional fulfillment. Thank you so much. I hope you all liked it. And I'm sure today, promise me how many of you are going to write some kind of personal mission statement where you just write down what are your strengths and what are you going to do. You can make it as for a year. That's usually a good idea. And you can always change it. So don't feel so disheartened like, okay, you have to stick to this personal mission statement. No, you don't. You keep changing them as you fulfill your goals, and then you can move ahead. All right. So with that, please don't forget to press the bell icon, press the like button, of course, press the subscribe button so that I know I'm on the right track of making such videos for you all. And with that, I'll be back again with another inspiring video, and you all have a wonderful day.